And the race is on. Out of time. Superior Art Delgado. Rushing up his rampage down on the inside. Golden Race. Then comes Quick Storm. Shining Crown. Dugu's favorite. While Core Duo is the early trailer. Golden Rage running it down on the inside. Delgado alongside is Out of Time. Quick Storm racing in fourth by Durell is the outstanding favorite. Rampage alongside 6 Superior Art, Shining Crown, Dugu's favorite. While Core Duo is still running at the tail of the field. Delgado, Golden Rage rushing up Out of Time. In between runners is Rampage down on the inside. Quick Storm alongside Superior Art. Rounding the far turn, Delgado, Superior Art, Rampage. In between runners alongside Out of Time as they race the final corner. 3 runners are now fighting it out for the lead. The outstanding favorite, Rampage. In between runners now the leader. Superior Art is on the outside. Down on the inside is Delgado. Rampage, Superior Art is on the outside. But still Rampage by half a length. Superior Art on the outside. And finally Rampage back-to-back win coming from Ai Tansyoko. Superior Art, Core Duo, Dugu's favorite, Delgado.